This is the Ka-52 Alligator, Russia's most advanced attack helicopter. But what makes it unique? The coaxial rotor system is genius Russian engineering. Traditional helicopters like American Apache or European Tiger.
Показания 45,2 мм.
Принято. Записываю. Проверьте допуск.
Watch your side, easy right there. All right, bring it forward slowly.
Ensure the alignment is perfect before the next layer.
Confirmed. The layup is secure.
Check the mass, 45 kilograms, exactly as specified.
Tolerance is good. I'll sign off on the length as well. This gearbox is engineering genius. It takes power from two Klimov VK2 turboshaft engines.
Final bolt reaching torque, 450 Newton meters.
Verified. Green seal applied.
Okay, bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Clear on this side, keep going up. Достигаем 600.
Подтверждено. Наносите пломбу краску.
Топливные магистрали по инструкции.
The Klimov VK2500 turboshaft engine is a proven Russian design, producing 1,200 horsepower.
Ataka missile, serial number is 9M1200042AY.
Verified. Safety pin secured on the S8 pod.
Azimuth and elevation check complete. Locked on target.
Confirmed. All systems nominal. Ready for integration.
Look at this unique rotor system. Two main rotors stacked on top of each other, spinning opposite direction genius.
Easy now, slowly lowering onto the gasket.
Clear on this side, alignment looks good.
Engaging the forward locking mechanisms.
Борт, проверьте координаты. Идем по маршруту.
Координаты подтверждены. Цель захвачена. Оружие голово.
Feeler gauge indicates optimal clearance.
And the torque wrench confirmed the fasteners are secure at the interface.
The coaxial contra-rotating rotor system was invented by Russian designer Nikolai Klimov in the 1940s.
Maintain slow tow. Clear the yellow line. All stations report readiness for activation.
Напряжение 28 вольт подано.
Принято. Запускаю проверку. Дисплей и сигнализация, не ставь, все в норме.
Скорость и высота в норме. Параметры двигателей в порядке. Вооружение готово к работе.
Applying cyclic, approaching 12 degrees positive.
Roger that. Movement is smooth, no binding.
Shifting to -2.
Confirm negative pitch, stable.
The coaxial rotor system requires extremely sophisticated flight control systems. Each rotor, upper and lower, has its own swash plate.
Final check on the chains.
Secured. All personnel, retreat to the bunker.
Roger. Moving clear.
Engine ground runs are critical tests before first flight. We verify both VK500 engines start properly, achieves...
Engaging collective pitch now. Confirming torque levels.
Levels are stable, altitude hold engaged. Proceeding with yaw test.
Вибрация 2,8. Отличный результат, записываем.
Хорошо.
Harness secure. Good flight, gentlemen.
Thank you. Canopy closing.
Digital checklist active. Confirm fuel priming sequence.
Арсеньевская вышка, я борт Ka-52 испытательный, запрашиваю разрешение на запуск двигателей для первого полета.
Борт Ka-52 испытательный, запуск разрешаю, ветер 0,5 градусов.
Look at that engineering! Well done, everyone! We finally did it!
Центр это 62-й. Высота 500, скорость 140. Параметры в норме, полет нормальный.
Maneuverability checks proceeding as planned. The pirouette turn completes in 4 seconds with exceptional yaw control. Transitioning to backward flight.
Управляемость отличная, реакция на управление немедленная и точная. Соосная система несущих винтов работает безупречно.
Look at that incredible maneuverability. Rapid acceleration, instant deceleration, sideways flight.
Slewing right, acquiring target now.
Target locked. Entering attack profile. Engaging.
The pilot accelerates, increasing airspeed, 200 kilometers per hour, 250, 28, to finally reaching
maximum speed 315 kilometers per hour achieved. All systems normal, handling excellent, no vibration. Coaxial rotor system performs flawlessly.
Landing checklist complete, gear down and locked.
Roger that. Tower, established on final, request permission to land.
Perfectly flown! The Ka-52 flies beautifully. Responsive controls, excellent stability.
We are expanding the flight envelope, testing weapon systems with live firing exercises, and evaluating avionics under operational conditions.
The Ka-52 successfully engages the target from a safe standoff distance, validating its precision strike capability.
We have a strong heat signature at 2 miles.
Roger, switching to white hot mode for better contrast.
After successful flight testing and weapons validation, the Ka-52 enters production for Russian military forces.
All documentation is in order. The Ka-52s are officially transferred to the armed forces.
Understood. Now, let's review the engine startup sequence.
The target zone is here. Confirm engagement parameters and diversion airfield routes now.
Confirmed, sir. Marking reference points for Route Charlie.
Good. Maintain radio silence until the IP.
Sure. The Ka-52 Alligator serves operationally with Russian Air Force and Russian Navy aviation units worldwide. From
Цель захвачена. Разрешаю пуск.
Понятно. Возвращаемся на базу. Check the alignment on the starboard pylon.
Looks good. Tighten it down.
We have green on the diagnostic.
Focus on the multifunction display, track the target.
Adjusting the dial now, engaging the collective.
Good. Maintain this vector. That is much better.
The Ka-52 Alligator represents over 70 years of Russian coaxial helicopter development, from Nikolai Klimov's first designs in the 1940s. The Ka-52 Alligator attracts significant international interest because it offers capabilities conventional helicopters cannot match.
You are fully certified on the Ka-52K now. Congratulations.
Thank you, instructor. We are ready for the delivery.
Egypt operates both land-based 52 and naval Ka-52K variants, serving Egyptian Air Force and Egyptian Navy.
The new sensor suite significantly extends the detection range, as you can see here.
And the resolution is much higher.
The Ka-52M represents continuous improvement. Modernized sensors detect targets at longer ranges.
Our speed advantage is clear here.
Yes, and the climb rate is comparable despite the compact design.
The data confirms the Ka-52's superior agility. A 360-degree pirouette turn takes only 4 seconds.
Technical comparison validates coaxial rotor advantages. Ka-52 maneuvers faster. Pirouette turns 4 seconds versus 8.
The conventional single rotor provides stability at high speeds, as you can see here.
Yes, but our coaxial design offers superior maneuver.
The conventional system wastes power on the tail rotor for torque compensation. But with coaxial counter-rotation and differential...
We have concentric input and output shafts here.
Stepping down 7,000 RPM to 257.
This gearbox is why coaxial turbo were difficult to develop. Conventional helicopter gearbox drives one main rotor, tail rotor.
The progression shows continuous refinement over 70 years, with each generation becoming more capable.
75 years of continuous coaxial helicopter development, from the first Ka-8 experimental helicopter to today.
Modern military helicopters are incredible complex systems, not just mechanical flying machines, but integrated aerospace weapon systems.
Состояние лопастей проверено.
Фильтры заменены. Приступаю к анализу.
Данные загружены, расхождений нет.
Okay, scanning the combustion chamber now, noticing some stress fractures near the fuel nozzle. Zooming in on that deposit now.
Military helicopter operations require extensive maintenance support. Scheduled inspections every 50 flight hours, major inspections every 300.
All right, we have an engine failure on the left side. Check your indicators. Maintain rotor RPM. Execute the emergency checklist now.
That was a solid auto rotation, especially the flare at the end.
Yeah, the RPM held steady. A little fast on the touchdown, maybe?
A little, but well within the envelope. Good job.
Применение ПТУР на предельно малой высоте требует особого внимания к рельефу.
Товарищ майор, а если откажет система?
Немедленно переходишь на аварийный режим, схема 3.2.
Ka-52 pilot training is comprehensive and demanding. 18 to 24 months from initial training to combat-ready crew.
Pirouette complete, 4 seconds on the Ka-52.
Confirmed, the Apache took 8, agility advantage noted.
Direct comparison validates coaxial rotor advantages. Ka-52 maneuvers faster, accelerates quicker, and occupies less.
The coaxial design is impressive, but we require integration of our systems.
We are prepared to localize production, but core technology must remain secure.
Russian helicopter technology attracts international interest because coaxial rotor design offers unique capabilities unavailable from Western.
The life cycle cost is 15% higher per flight hour.
A necessary investment for superior maneuverability and survivability in specialized missions.
The net result is approximately 25 additional labor hours per major inspection, roughly a 15% maintenance.
We need at least 50 modernized Ka-52s to meet the strategic goals. The current rate is insufficient.
General, the budget does not allow.
Military helicopter production balances capability requirements against budget realities.
Ka-52 is expensive, approximately 25.
The Ka-52's coaxial design significantly reduces the effects of dissymmetry of lift, which is a major trade-off in conventional rotorcraft.
Ka-52 represents significant aerospace engineering achievement, demonstrating Russian capability in complex system development.
Heaters are connected, turning them on now.
Sense. Russian territory spans 11 time zones from Europe to Pacific Ocean, including vast Arctic regions with months.
Pay attention to this moment. The target is hit, but the vulnerability remains.
During quadruplinance, Syrian combat operations provide invaluable experience, testing Ka-52 under real combat conditions against determined opponents.
The Ka-52's coaxial rotors demonstrate clear maneuverability superiority, as you can see.
We recognize the unique advantages.
The Ka-52's maneuverability in hot climates is superior due to the coaxial rotors.
International defense market is highly competitive, with American, European, Russian, and Chinese manufacturers competing customers worldwide.
The autonomous flight algorithms are stabilizing the navigation grid.
Good. We need to ensure the sensor processing prioritizes the high-value targets.
Target confirmed. Engagement authorized.
Эти системы реагируют мгновенно и спасают жизни.
Но как насчет моральной цены?
Машины не должны принимать такие
решения.
Мы решили проблемы с надежностью, профессор.
Unmanned combat helicopters represent future direction, exploiting technology advances enabling autonomous operations.
Ka-52 незаменим в современном бою. Он доказал свою эффективность.
Но мы не можем позволить себе только их.
Military procurement requires difficult trade-offs, balancing performance, quantity, cost, and risk. Ka-52
This anniversary marks 75 years of the coaxial helicopter.
We faced immense challenges developing the Ka-25, but through tireless experimentation.
What advice would you give us continuing your work? Respect fundamental principles. Coaxial configuration provides real advantages worth complexity costs.
75 years of coaxial helicopter development represents extraordinary achievement, maintaining specialized capability through
inventions. How do you address the complexities of the coaxial design at high angles of attack?
We utilize
the analysis optimizes rotor separation and blade design, minimizing adverse interactions.
What turbulence modeling?
Inter-Korean international scientific cooperation advances rotorcraft technology, benefiting all nations, despite political competition.
Computer simulations project performance improvements. 20% higher maximum speed approaching 400 kilometers an hour, and 30% lower.
The coaxial design has proven advantages that justify continued refinement, maximizing our decades of knowledge.
Kafter presents current pinnacle of 75 years coaxial helicopter development. Future generations will incorporate.
The coaxial design eliminates the need for a tail rotor, making the Ka-52.
We are looking for the best. As a pilot or avionics specialist, you will operate the most advanced systems. How does the coaxial rotor system affect the flight profile, and what is the pipeline after basic training?
The pipeline involves aptitude testing.
Military capability ultimately depends on people. Talented engineers designing equipment, skilled workers manufacturing components.
And now, the pride of Russian aviation, the Ka-52 Alligator helicopters, demonstrating
the coaxial rotor system significantly enhances combat effectiveness, particularly in mountainous terrain.
And what are the implications for the regional balance?
Ka-52 Alligator symbolizes Russian military capability and technological achievement. Visible manifestation.
This sophisticated technology represents human creativity, problem-solving ability, and persistent dedication.
This helicopter is a testament to what we can achieve together.
Absolutely. It passed every test with flying colors.
A proud moment for the entire team.
Every Ka-52 helicopter represents combined efforts of thousands of people, designers, engineers, machinists. Speechless. Future Russian aerospace capability depends on today's students. Young engineers learning fundamentals, developing skills.
Another week dote on the Ka-52 line.
Yeah, I'm beat. See you Monday morning.
Don't forget your pass.
This journey exploring Ka-52 Alligator factory reveals story of Russian aerospace 70 years.
The coaxial contra-rotating rotor system, two main